Harsh Nagotra, Program Leader, BA Honours Economics in School of Commerce and Economics. We in BA Honours Economics provide a comprehensive program in which students get understanding how government policies have been formulated in the context of economic events. We focuses on the analytical aspects of the course and develop the students for the higher studies in economics. In our course, we have accumulated vast range of subjects of economics. In our curriculum, we have econometrics and mathematical economics, which is a higher range of economics which is useful for the students to understand the analytical tools of statistics and mathematics. We have latest software in our course curriculum which is useful for them to understand how the policies of a government have been formulated and how the research work has been undergone. This will help them for the subsequent career and will cater to higher education in applied economics. We have developed professional and managerial skill in the students by providing them a strong foundation of economics and statistical tools. They can start their career in banking, in government organizations, in financial services at national and international level.